السلام عليكم ورحمة
عليكم
الله.
السلام عبد الصمد كيف حالك؟
عبد
العزيز
Abdulaziz
from Oman.
Oman 16 time he
16
came
time
India. Visited India, Kerala.
Yes, Kerala,
Also
Chennai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad. I am like India very much.
He like India. He came for treatment. Treatment.
Yes, treatment.
Treatment.
Treatment and tourism.
What?
Tourism. Yes.
Yeah.
Tourism.
Which place you like India?
All places.
All place.
All places.
Kerala. How is Kerala?
Kerala very much.
Very good place, Kerala.
Kerala.
He telling Kerala nonetheless place, goods on country.
Yes.
Kerala.
Yes, very good.
Green and tree.
Munnar, very good.
Munnar, very good.
Very good.
Tourist place.
2 days stay there.
Where are you from, Oman?
From Badl Maawal.
What is your work?
I'm technical, computer technical.
Computer, mashallah. أنا يجي عمان إن شاء الله. أنا أشوف سلالة إن شاء الله سلالة نفس كيرلا.
Kerala same.
Same coconut tree. I want to come إن شاء الله.
إن شاء الله. Welcome.
Okay. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
Thank you very much.